We have the Bitcoin chart up. Yesterday, we were right over that 65,000 level. We talked about, can it hold 65? It did. Now we're dealing with, guess what? The 69,000 level. Now, it hasn't pierced that yet. In general, you probably do see a little bit of a pierce. And listen, I want to be clear. Maybe in certain platforms or exchanges, it did pierce. But in general, from what I'm seeing, it hasn't quite pierced yet. Either way, the kicker is this. This is a double top. This is a big test. This is the biggest test for Bitcoin.
In this video, Gareth will delve into the significance of the 65,000 and 69,000 levels for Bitcoin. He'll discuss how to identify and confirm a double top pattern and explore the risks and rewards of shorting Bitcoin. Join Gareth in this interview as he covers these topics and more. Before we continue with the rest of the video, do check out daily 5-minute crypto newsletter with all the latest crypto and Bitcoin news. It's a fantastic analysis of on-chain crypto data and breakdowns, and the best part is it's absolutely free. They'll cover expert predictions, breakdowns of on-chain crypto data, and any breaking news you need to know, all in a nutshell. Click the first link in the description and enter your email to join over 50,000 others in becoming a better crypto investor right now.
That's what we call a breakout right there. That's a monster breakout. All right, now the kicker is this. I said there would be a little bit of resistance at this former little pivot high right here, and essentially we're very, very close. What I'm expecting here is us to tag or get close. We already got close to this level. You're going to do a little bull flag like that, maybe even pull back to this area, we'll have to see, and then the next leg should start to the upside. But this is case in point what's going on, and again, I was just literally last week saying buy Newmont Mining, buy GDX, buy all of these miners. Take a look at the GDX, guys. Look at this rocket ship to the upside in just the last couple days, basically over a 10% move on that GDX. Silver's also had a big move, although silver remains stuck. It is not breaking out on silver. Part of that is that it's more of an industrial metal. We can clearly see here, we have these high pivot here all the way down right here. It hit there, and then we have these lows down here as well. And it is pushing up towards the high end at 25, but it's got to get through 25 to really kickstart that breakout.
On March 5th, 2024, Bitcoin shattered its previous all-time high, surpassing the $69,000 mark against the US dollar. This breakthrough comes 846 days after Bitcoin last reached this milestone on November 10, 2021. Additionally, a Bitcoin miner recently introduced a new cryptocurrency mining chip, claiming it could enhance Bitcoin mining performance while reducing power consumption.
We have the Bitcoin chart up. Yesterday, we were right over that 65,000 level. We talked about, can it hold 65? It did. Now we're dealing with, guess what? The 69,000 level. Now, it hasn't pierced that yet. In general, you probably do see a little bit of a pierce. And listen, I want to be clear. Maybe in certain platforms or exchanges, it did pierce. But in general, from what I'm seeing, it hasn't quite pierced yet. Either way, the kicker is this. This is a double top. This is a big test. This is the biggest test for Bitcoin. Can it push through double top here? This is a level that I am watching like a hawk per my short, obviously. And again, watching very closely to see if we close above and if we confirm. Confirmation is number one in my book. I'll show you how the oil trade actually didn't confirm, and now it's back.
Michael Saylor, the outspoken Bitcoin evangelist and founder of MicroStrategy, has broken his silence on the imminent new all-time high for Bitcoin. Taking to Twitter and other media platforms, Saylor has made an optimistic call to the global crypto community, expressing his expectation of a new age for Bitcoin in the near future. Concurrently, prominent cryptocurrency analyst Michael van de Poppe has also indicated via tweet that Bitcoin may soon reach a historic peak, possibly within the next few days, as the cryptocurrency market swells to a valuation of $2.6 trillion. Meanwhile, the leading stablecoin, Tether, has achieved a market cap of $100 billion, with an increase of 8.27 billion tokens added to its supply since the beginning of 2024.
Show you how the oil trade actually didn't confirm, and now it's back below that level. We'll look at that in just 1 second. All right, call me a dummy. You can call me whatever you want, but I did short Dogecoin last night with members of Verified Investing Crypto. And again, the idea here was very simple. Number one, incredible move up. You basically have a time count to the upside. But secondly, what we can see here, guys, is that if we zoom out, there is a pivotal point of interest right here. I want to show you guys this level of the reasoning behind that short. All right, so again, if we look at this and we draw a trend line in, you can see right around this $20 level, there is major technical resistance. Look at this, guys, going all the way back to 2021, right in here, right in here, right in here, right in here, all through here. All right, guys, so again, that's going to be, at least according to me, a good level of a short. Now, yes, I am already up on this. I shorted it around 20 cents. It's back down to 18.5 cents. I'm looking for, honestly, these aren't, and understand this, guys, I'm a quick trader. I'm in and out, right? I'm like a stealth ninja, essentially getting in and getting out. Those of you that know me, those of you that follow me, you know that I'm a swing trader, right? So if this pulls back to like 17, 16 cents, I'm out. Then I don't care what it does. Do whatever it wants. Go to $20 even. Doesn't matter. It's all about my ins and outs and maneuvering, looking for buying support and selling or shorting resistance. All right, couple of the charts here. I always like to go over with you guys a few extra charts. Let's take a look here at Matic. Matic has had a beautiful move up. Looks like we have taken out this former support level right here. So if we jump out to a bigger time frame, we have to start scouting out where your next levels are. All right, to do that, I'm going to go out to a wide view range. Couple things I'm seeing on this wide view range as I chart real time with you guys. All right, this would be kind of your maximum upside. This would be like bull best case scenario for Matic in the near term. I want to show you guys this because this is kind of, again, by the way, do I think it's going to get up here? Not in the short term, I doubt, but nonetheless, look at all the confluence of levels right here, right? You have this pivot top right here. We have a sloping line right through here. All of them are kind of converging around 155 to 165. That would be your max upside. Now, you will run into some resistance. There's a little resistance coming in right in this range, right around 120. Do I have any interest in shorting this here? No. But if it got up here, would I short it? If in the next 2 days it rushed up to 155, 156, yeah, I'd short it. Sure. Just like, again, if this thing, by the way, if this thing pulled all the way back in a day or two here, I'd buy it. It's just that simple. It's nothing personal. People have such a emotional attachment to investments. I have never known anyone to really do well when they have emotional attachment to anything. All right. And again, it creates an unlogical type viewpoint, at least with investments. Listen, you want to be attached to your dog, your cat, your wife, your kids, of course, obviously. But when it comes to investments, investments are not going to love you back. So don't love them. That's my policy on investing. All right, next up, let's take a look at ETH. ETH is a rocket ship. What a move on ETH here. Take a look at this. I do have my next level, which is at 4,000, so don't be surprised if we get up to this 4,000 level on ETH. Right now, 37.78 on that Ethereum chart.
This week, gold is exhibiting trading patterns reminiscent of a cryptocurrency. Today, it surged by another $22 to reach $2,137, breaking the Asian spike high from early December. This marks the third consecutive day of gains, indicating a clear breakout above the $2,100 level, which has served as a significant barrier for gold since the year 2000. Meanwhile, a Nigerian blockchain lobby group has criticized the government's decision to block access to crypto trading platforms like Binance, Ken, and Coinbase, arguing that such actions will not foster the trust and confidence needed in the financial system. The advocacy group also expressed concerns regarding the Nigerian Communications Commission's directive to telecommunication companies, suggesting it may not align with the democratic norms of society. For more daily dose crypto news, check out these two awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.